Welcome to our English class. Like and subscribe. Welcome, students. This is Teacher Grace. Let's get started.
Our lesson for today is Theme 6, Animals, Lesson 2. New words. Duck, D-U-C-K, duck. Goat, G-O-A-T, goat. Cow, C-O-W, cow.
Take out your student's book and open it on pages 58 and 59.
Theme 6, Animals. Lesson 2. A. Listen, point, and say. 1. Duck. 2. Goat. 3. Cow.
Story time.
B. 1. Listen and read. On the farm.
What animal do you like, Grandma?
I like ducks.
What animal do you like, Grandpa?
I like cows.
What animal do you like, Kim? Ah! Help! Haha! I like goats.
It's fun, right? Do you like the story? Oh, I love it. Okay, take out your pencils and we will answer in number 2. Ready?
B. 2. Listen and number. Look at the pictures. Listen. There is one example. 1.
What animal do you like, Grandma?
I like ducks.
Can you see number 1? This is an example. Now listen and number. 2.
What animal do you like, Grandpa?
I like cows. 3.
What animal do you like, Kim? Ah! Help! Haha! I like goats.
Did you get the correct answers? Wonderful. It's time to study the useful language.
What animal do you like? I like duck.
Okay, did you listen carefully? Remember that to our practice time. Let's move on. It's time to sing a song.
What animal do you like?
What animal do you like?
I like ducks.
I like ducks.
What animal do you like?
What animal do you like?
I like goats.
I like goats.
What animal do you like?
What animal do you like?
I like cows.
I like cows.
It's time to practice the useful language. Did you still remember the useful language a while ago? Great. 1. What animal do you like? I like goats. 2. What animal do you like? I like fish. 3. What animal do you like? I like dogs. 4. What animal do you like? I like birds. 5. What animal do you like? I like cats. 6. What animal do you like? I like ducks. 7. What animal do you like? I like cows. Now it's your turn to practice speaking. While you are speaking, you can point to the pictures where you are reading, okay? And make a video and then submit to Teacher Grace. Thank you. It's game time. Page 59 of your student's book, letter F, play the chain game. In fours, take turns asking and answering until your group reaches the last person. So let's follow the example in the picture. You line up into 4, and then the first person will ask, "What animal do you like?" The second person will answer, "I like dogs." And then she will also ask the third, "What animal do you like?" And the third will answer, "I like birds." And then the third person will ask also the fourth, "What animal do you like?" And the last person will answer, "I like cats." Okay? You can do it. It would be fun. It's workbook time. Open your workbook on pages 54 and 55. Letter A. Draw lines. The pictures are above and the names are below. So number 1 example is cow. Find the word cow, C-O-W. This is right. So this is your example. Follow it. Number 2, what's this? Duck. Okay, find the word below and draw a line. And then number 3 is goat. Okay, find the word goat and draw a line. Letter B of page 54, look and write the words. Number 1, duck. So you're going to spell the word of the animals, okay? D-U-C-K, duck. Number 2, what is it? Yes, it's a goat, so spell goat. And number 3, cow. Spell the word cow. Let's move on. Letter C, page 55. Circle the correct answers. Number 1 is an example for you. What animal do you like? I like ducks. I like cows. So these are cows. So the correct answer is on the right side. I like cows. Number 2. What animal do you like? I like cows. I like goats. What's the correct answer? Circle it. Number 3. What animal do you like? I like ducks. I like pigs. Circle your answer. And lastly, letter D. What animal do you like? Write and draw. You're going to write your favorite animal here, okay? What do you like? Cats, dogs, or a goat, or cows? It's up to you. And then draw your favorite animal here, the animal that you like so much, and color it. And we're done with our lesson for today. I hope you enjoy it because you know that English is fun. See you next time. Goodbye.